Here's how you can use On2Air Backups to backup and view the metadata inside of your Airtable bases. The metadata is anything like your table name, your table ID, your field names, your field types, and various other options that are basically the data of your data. So this will help you to keep track of all your Airtable base metadata. Now, once you've created a backup in On2Air Backups, there are a couple of ways that you can get the metadata. The first way is that once a backup has run, and inside of your storage drive for every base that you back up, there will be this file called Meta.json. And it will look like this. Now, all you'll have to do is copy the text here, click copy, go back to the On2Air web app, and you'll see this Meta Viewer inside of this. Click that, and then just paste that data information. You can also upload that JSON file, same thing. Click process. Now, once you do that, you'll see all the information related to all of your base data. So how this works is this is all of the tables from a single base. You can see the ID here, the primary field, how many fields are in there, the views. Now you get into the fields of this specific table. So you can see here the name of every field and then also the field type. You have the field ID. And in each field type, there are different options depending on what it is. Now, we bring in everything that the Airtable API allows us to show you. So, for example, in a checkbox field, you can click See Options. And here you'll see, here's the icon, you have a check, and here's the color you have of that check. For a single select, again, click See Options. Go down here, and you can see that these are all your actual choices from your select field. Then you can view that further and see the actual ID of that option and then what that color is. And you can do this with every field type. In a formula, you can see the actual formula that you have. So if the formula is valid, then you have the actual formula. So in this one, it's if, and then this is the field ID, and times the value, the other field ID. Now we also use the actual field name that it's using as well. You can see that the result type is a currency, and then it has a precision of 2, and if it had a symbol, it would have that as well. You can do that with every field type in your base. Additionally, you can see the views that the field is visible in. This is only available for grid views. And then you can also see the view ID. In the views in the table, you can go and see the name of the view type and then the type of view that it is and the view ID. Then you can see a list of all the fields that are actually in the view. And again, you can see all the various options for that specific field type. So that is the main way that you can view the metadata. You can click Start Over. The other option that you can do is in the On2Air Backups documentation. We actually have a script that you'll paste into your Airtable base. You'll just copy that script. The script will look like this. You just paste it into there. And then you'll choose Run, and you'll select the meta. This will give you that same information that was in that same file. You copy all of this, and then again, you'll go back to the Meta Viewer and paste it in there. So that's how you view the metadata with On2Air Backups in Airtable.